Hi, dear friends. I would like to give a talk on B.Ed, Bachelor of Education. Pursuing the B.Ed course allows the candidates to inculcate in themselves very good teaching skills and also how to work in the administrative aspect of an education system. The course curriculum teaches prospective teachers how to play their role in making a healthy education structure. Any bachelor degree pursued students can join this course. It is a 2-year program. B.Ed completed candidates can work in schools, coaching centers, education department, home tuitions, and education consultancies. With this degree, the candidate can get also in government teacher job through set exams. B.Ed course offers a good scope. The demand for jobs in the government sector is high among B.Ed graduates. For instance, almost 13 lakh candidates appear for seated exam every year to gain eligibility for teaching in schools. B.Ed is one of the most sought after courses in India as the career prospects for this course are unending. There are a list of best government jobs after B.Ed. Even though there are a lot of jobs in the private sector, the demand for government jobs in the field of teaching is always high. You can see the list of government jobs available for graduates, B.Ed graduates, such as name of the job is Central Government School Teacher, Navodaya, Kendriya Vidyalayas, etc. So the selection process is through Central Teaching Eligibility Test, which is called as CTET, recruitment exam conducted by the respective authority. And the second name of the job is SA or School Assistant, PGT, Postgraduate Teacher. The selection process is based on the marks scored by candidates in the teacher recruitment test TRT conducted by various state governments. And the third one is primary school teacher or elementary school teacher. So the selection process is based on the marks scored by candidates in the teacher recruitment test or TRT conducted by various state governments. The next one is to be a school principal. So it is based on the teaching experience. And the last one, language Pandit teachers, either in Hindi or regional languages. So the selection process is based on the marks scored by the candidates in the teacher recruitment test or TRT conducted by various state governments. The candidates who do not want to pursue a teaching career in government sectors can also go for job opportunities in private schools. Some of the best private jobs for students after completing B.Ed is given below. To be a teacher, The candidates can go for a teaching job in private schools in their preferred subject expertise. They can also go for teaching jobs in coaching institutes or private tuitions. On average, the salary of a teacher in India lies somewhat or somewhere between 16,000 to 2 lakh rupees. The next one is to be a counselor. The candidates can also go for a job as a counselor where they can help the students with general academic issues. They can also help the candidates choose the preferred educational option based on their capabilities and goals. On average, the salary of a counselor in India lies somewhat between 14,000 to 1,50,000 rupees. Next, to be an educational administrator. An educational administrator is similar to HR in corporates whose responsibilities is to manage the overall administration of a school. The candidates will have to oversee the different managerial activities such as managing budget, developing curriculum, hiring teachers, etc. On average, the salary of a counselor in India lies between 15,000 to 2 lakh rupees. Next, to be educational researcher. The candidate can also go for a career as an educational researcher where they will be conducting research on a particular subject of their interest. They will also develop the research paper based on their conclusions drawn from the research. On average, the salary of a counselor in India lies somewhere between 20,000 to 6 lakh rupees. The salary structure mentioned above is indicative only and is subject to change unconditionally. So, if you are willing to have a strong foundation of teaching, seek admission in some of the reputed B.Ed colleges in India. If you have a teaching qualities and want to be a teacher, then move forward and join a 2-year course on Bachelor of Education. B.Ed degree is considered compulsory if you want to take teaching as your profession. Anyone can do bachelor's degree whether you are an arts or a science graduate. B.Ed course has its own importance. B.Ed degree is the pillar and compulsory tool to impart quality education and innovative teaching techniques. If you want to become a perfect teacher and want to be a role model, first you need to achieve Bachelor of Education or B.Ed from a reputed college or university. It was introduced to teach a person about teaching and the various aspects associated with teaching. Once you complete the Bachelor of Education coaching or training, then you are awarded with a B.Ed degree. So, if you are teaching qualities or want to be teacher, then move forward and join 2-year course on Bachelor of Education. B.Ed degree is considered compulsory if you want to take teaching as your profession. Anyone can do bachelor's degree whether you are an arts or a science graduate. B.Ed course has its own importance. After this degree, you can become efficient in teaching subjects of your specialization on the basis of accepted principles of learning and teaching, and develops your skills and widens your understanding so that you can impart quality education and make you skilled in coming up with innovative teaching techniques. This course teaches you a lot and you become more competent in understanding psychological principles of growth and development and individual differences of the students you teach, which help you a lot understanding the demands and needs. You can also learn to guide the children and counsel them in solving their personal and academic problems, as there is a separate section for it which you can achieve.